course, isn't it? There's a hill and it's starting to hail.
Yeah.
It's starting to hail.
This is a nice Kodak moment.
Look through the screen. Oh man, it's blowing into the screen.
I use my life. I want to work on 9 to 5 all my life, and this is a chance, to do something that everybody can't do. Here to prove that I belong here, that this isn't a mistake. The loss is so bad.
I've given up everything to be the best of this sport. I'm not here to climb my game. I'm here to win a UFC contract. It's unbelievable. You got a cage that's a full-size cage. Most facilities you go into, you got a small cage. Every time